Welcome to Zesty Eats. Today we're gonna cook chicken rezala. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. All the measurement, ingredients, and the full recipe will be in the description box. At first, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of onion paste, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Now mix everything together. Make sure chickens are fully coated with our marinations. At this point, we will cover it and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Step 2. Now we will cook the chicken. To cook the chicken, we'll need 2 tablespoons of oil, whole spice mix, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, and cloves, 1 cup of thinly sliced onion, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ghee, and to garnish, fried onions and some green chilies. Heat up the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we'll add our whole spice mix, bay leaves, about 2 pieces, cinnamon sticks, 2 medium size, and cloves, about 6 pieces. We will fry them in the oil for about 1 minute. It will give you a beautiful aroma. Then we'll add our chopped onion. We will saute the onion until it is translucent. At this point, we will add our marinated chicken. Mix it properly and bring it to boil. Cover it and cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes. See now, the chickens are fully cooked. Now add the sugar. I took about 1 teaspoon of sugar. We will simmer the chicken about 6 to 7 minutes until the gravy thickens. At this point, when you see the gravy is thick enough, we will add our ghee. We took about 2 teaspoons of ghee. Then we will mix it properly because it will give the beautiful aroma to our chicken rezala. Now we'll add some fried onions and couple of green chilies. Cover it and cook it for about 3 minutes in low heat. Look at that beautiful chicken rezala. I can't wait to try it. You can serve this dish with white rice or plain pulao or even paratha. I hope you'll make this dish home and enjoy with your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zesty Eats. Thank you!